After you've released the tension in the muscles surrounding your hips and have gotten your pelvis into a better alignment, you are now in an optimal position to begin strengthening. The Rhea Resistance Band will be used to strengthen muscles in your hips and core and ultimately hold your pelvis in better posture, improving the performance of your entire body. Everything starts from the hips. There are so many exercises you can do with the Rhea. Clamshells, sumo walks, band walks, glute bridges, hamstring bridges, air squats, hip pulses, glute kickbacks, fire hydrants, planks, side planks. By adding these exercises to your fitness routine, this will ensure you get the full benefits of the unstressed method. Release, realign, and remember your power to return to your natural state.